Hello people, so today we will talk about Instagram and the way how we can set someone else to be an admin into our group chat in Instagram. Now open your Instagram application and just please make sure that you are stay in the home sections, which is the area that containing all of the feed here. So now just take a look on the top right corner, the big two buttons there. Go click the rightest one, which is the DM or direct message area. Now you just need to open the group chat that you have on your Instagram account. And we want to set someone else to be an admin. You just need to go click this top bar and then click people. Now you just need to open or find someone that you want to set as an admin, and then you just need to go click this three small dot on someone that you want to choose here and go click make admin. And now your friend has already been an admin of the group, and they have an ability to invite someone and control the group application or the group chat on Instagram application. So basically that is the way, guys. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's meet again on the next tutorial.